Menteri rang bak kajelau konrat sangma oleh tu bah kabidi bak kajingja ka balaja ka arpsau tarik mentau benaya po tura emtang baradon kajing Mynsaw ka liang juki pulit nadon ki rupa ba ke bala Mynsaw mat emtang bak kibri kala Mynsaw di kadon sibul kajing julor ladu kajing sak penjot ki kali kajing sak thang ki kali kentup ki kali jong menteri rang ba ki kali jong minister ka PHE ki kali jong officer bak kamjur ki kali jong ki rupa ba ladon kajing sak penjor jong ka office trekam jong menteri rang ba po tura bat kiwide kijing jular kentup ikisuki kimi bat kiwide kibradon hakate ki jakabya khi akapor baja hakate ki jingja ukonrat oleh thuru badonbok hakate ki sngi udon Doktor ubajubo di ubar ai kijing sumari kitu ke ba Mynsaw balala banyada nakajing Mynsaw ka ba khamjor balala ki nakajing
I don't have the details with me, but number one is the damage in terms of human beings, in the sense that a lot of people were hurt. And a lot of people who were just doing their duty, they were hurt. And some of them were quite seriously hurt. One of them, in fact, one of the first few was hurt. I was sitting with him only, and he had a big cut on his forehead and bleeding profusely. And but then we were able to control it. We then because luckily the doctor who normally accompanies the chief minister, the protocol is there. That doctor was present there, and because of his presence, actually many of the people or the police who were injured, they managed to get first aid, and they were able to. So number one, there was a huge loss in terms of the injury that was there to the people. A lot of vehicles were damaged, and we saw a lot of glasses being broken, including my spare car, which is there, one of my vehicles that is there, which my staff sits in, and many other vehicles in my convoy. And the minister's vehicle was damaged. Civilians, some vehicles were damaged. Police, of course, vehicles were burnt, some of them, and so that damage was there. There was some damage to the building also. There was some damage to some chairs that were taken by some organizations from one of the Mahari associations. So I refrain from taking the name of the Mahari, but those who have a Mahari association also, who had just given it of course as a rental thing. They have nothing to do with the movement. It's purely rental. But the Mahari also had to incur a loss in terms of their damage to their chairs. So like that, there was damage, quite a bit of damage.